Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad T10s and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left to this button. By tapping on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide down and focus on the general settings. Here we have the location tag option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need, and it allows us to tag photos and videos with location information. Also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.